this exercise is called the reverse lunge paddle swing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the hand over grip. All right, so we're going to have hands over, got the mace head towards the right side of the body. We're actually going to swing that mace head round on the right side of the body, and then from here we're going to reverse lunge as we're doing that swing. So as we're coming around, we're going to do a reverse lunge on that same side. So all the usual cues apply with the lunge. Big step back, just make sure that front knee stays over the front heel, doesn't come over the front toe, and then drive down through that front heel, squeeze that glute as you're driving up into that standing position. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like. So we're going to come back, we're going to bring it back into that side paddle row position, big step back, and then from there I'm going to drive down hard through that front heel, squeeze that front glute, and then come up into the standing position, and then I'm going to fully lock out that front arm, and we want that mace handle to be horizontal to the floor. Okay, so perpendicular. So from there, we're going to come back down as we're doing like a big rowing sort of movement with this hand as we're doing that reverse lunge. And then drive up almost into like an uppercut, punching up as we're coming up. So really good for rotational core strength as well. All right, so I'm just going to do a few reps on the side now so you can see it from the side.